Good afternoon everyone. So today we will continue with the matrices. Our topic today is row reduced echelon form. Okay. So first question, we are reducing this to row reduced echelon form. So first of all, the first operation I am using here is I am interchanging the first row to second and second to first. That is, this row I am writing it first and this row I am writing it next. I don't want 0 here in the first row. I want non-zero element here. That's why I am interchanging this to this one, right? Okay. The change now. Okay. So now we have, this is 0, 1, 2, 0, 3, and rest of the elements remain same. 1, 2, 4, 2, 2, 1, 3, 6, 1, 5. This is also a matrix of order 4 cross 5. So here we cannot find the determinant since it is 4 cross 5. If we would have had 5 cross 5, we could have had found, right? That's the reason we use row reduced echelon form. And also we can find the rank of a matrix if we know this method. Okay, so first let us study this. Okay, now I am performing the operation R1. This is R1, right? R1 is equal to R1 divided by 2. So that I will get this number as 1. I always should have the preceding element or the succeeding element to be 1. Okay, so since I am having 2 here, in order to make this as 1, if I divide this by 2, I can make this as 1, right? So let us perform that operation. Okay, so A is equal to 2 divided by 2 is 1. 4 divided by 2, 2. 8 divided by 2, it is 4. 2 divided by 2, 1. 4 divided by 2, 2. So rest of the elements remains the same. Okay. 1, 2, 4, 2, 2, 1, 3, 6, 1, 5, right? My next operation is to make this elements 0. So if I subtract 1 minus 1, 0, 2 minus 2, 0, 4 minus 4, 0. Okay, I'll get some zeros here, right? So I'll perform the operation R3 is equal to R3 minus R3 is equal to R3 minus R1. So what do I get? 1, 2, 4, 1, 2. Except the row R3, rest of the elements will remain the same. So R2 is 0, 1, 2, 0, 3. Now my row R3, what does it become? 1 minus 1, 0. 2 minus 2, 0. 4 minus 4, 0. Again 2 minus 1, 1. 2 minus 2, 0, and my fourth column also remains the same, that is, sorry, fourth row also remains the same, that is 1, 3, 6, 1, 5. If you observe properly, if in order to make this 0, what I have to do? 1 minus 1 becomes 0, right? So R4 can be we can perform an operation. R4 is equal to R4 minus R1. So this element becomes 0, right? So shall we do that now? What do we get? 1 minus 1, 0. 3 minus 2, 1. 6 minus 4, 2. 1 minus 1, 0. 5 minus 2 is 3. So we have 0, 1, 2, 0, 3. Now if you observe properly, we can make this as 0, 1 minus 1, 0, 2 minus 2, 0, 3 minus 3, 0. That means our operation is R4 is equal to R4 minus R2. So what do we get? 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, 0, 3, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0. Our row R4 will change, right? So what is the operation we are performing? R4 minus R2. So 0 minus 1 is, sorry, 0 minus 0 is 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. 2 minus 2 is 0. 0 minus 0, 0. 3 minus 3 is 0, right? So in this row reduced echelon form, we always tend to make the last row to be zeros. Okay, and check this out now. Preceding term 1. Okay, the term next right side also is 1. Here we have a term right side is 0. Again, these all are 0. So right side is 1. So we have, for all the terms, we have either on the right side or on the top, we have zeros, right? That's why this is the equivalent form of the given matrix, row reduced echelon form. So this is equivalent to the given question. Okay. In this row reduced echelon form, our aim is to make as many number of zeros as possible. Okay, so we have many numbers again. So is there any possibility to make any zeros here? If we perform this operation, R1 is equal to R1 minus 2R2. 2R2 will be, this becomes 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6, right? So shall we perform this operation? Okay. So what do we get here? So we have R1 changes to 1 minus 0 is 1. Here 2R2, okay? This becomes 1 2s are 2. 2 minus 2 becomes 0. Again 2 2s are 4. 4 minus 4, 0. Here 0 minus 1, sorry, 1 minus 0, 1. Here 3 2s are 6. 2 minus 6 minus 4. So we have 0, 3. Rest of the rows remains the same. 0, 0, 0, 0 and 0. Is there any possibility to make any other zeros here? Yes. Okay, we can perform this, right? R1 is equal to R1 minus R3. So 1 minus 0 will be 1. 0 minus 0, 0. 0 minus 0, 0. 1 minus 1 becomes 0 here. Again, this will be minus 4 minus 0 becomes minus 4 itself. So shall we perform this operation? A is equal to 1 0 0, 1 minus 1 0, 4 minus 0 is minus 4, 0 1 2 0 3, 0 0 0 1 and 0, 0 0 0 0 and 0. This is a 4 cross 5 matrix. Okay, you can see now this is the leading term 1 and all other elements are 0. Leading term 1, rest everything is 0. Here also leading term 1, rest everything is 0. Nothing else can be done here. So this is fine. So we will take this as the reduced echelon form, which is equivalent to the value of the given matrix A. So this is the leading term, rest everything is 0, leading term 0, leading term zeros, rest leading term should be 1. Okay, so here we cannot make this as 1, so it's fine. So whichever is possible we have made, and the last row is also zeros. Okay, so this is equivalent to the given question. That is, our given question was this. This is equivalent to the reduced echelon form matrix. Okay, we will see few more problems. You will be comfortable then. Okay, let us get into our next question. Find the rank of the matrix by reducing it into row reduced echelon form. Okay, so here this is a question which is a 4 cross 4 matrix. So you know the preceding term or the leading term should be 1, rest of the elements should be zeros, right? So first what we'll do, we'll make this 0 and this 0. Then rest we will check the matrix and respectively we'll do the operation. So in order to make this as a 0, what will you do? You have to multiply this 2 minus this row by 2. That means 2 minus 2 becomes 0. Again 3 minus 3 becomes 0. So multiply this row by 3. Again 6 minus 6 becomes 0. So multiply this with 6. So that is the operation I am doing here. R2 is R2 minus 2R1. R3 is R3 minus 3R1. R4 is R4 minus 6R1. Right? So shall we do that operation? Okay. So we have A is equal to, first row remains the same since we are not doing any changes there. 1, 2, 3, 0. We have 2 minus 2, that is this we are multiplying it with 2, so this becomes 2, 4, 3 2s are 6, 0. Okay, so 2 minus 2, 0. 4 minus 2 2s are 4, it was 4 minus 4, 0. Again 3 minus 3 2s are 6, it was, so 3 minus 6 is minus 3. Again 2 minus 0 is 2. Again this we are multiplying with 3 and we are subtracting, so 3 minus 3, 0. 2 minus 3 2s are 6, so minus 4. 1 into 3 3s are 9, it was, so 1 minus 9 is minus 8. 3 minus 0 is 3. So now here we are multiplying with 6 and minusing, so 6 minus 6 will be 0, and you have 8 minus 6 2s are 12, it will be, so 12 minus 8 minus 12, you get 4, that is minus 4. Again this is 6 3s are 18. 7 minus 18 it is, so you have, so what is my next thing? This I have to make it 0, right? So in order to do that, you can see here clearly, if I subtract this from this, it will become 0, right? So that is R4 is equal to R4 minus R3. And when you're subtracting rows, you cannot do anything with the columns. Keep that in mind. Okay. So A is equal to, you have the matrix 1, 2, 3, 0, 0 minus 4 minus 8 and 3, 0, 0. Okay, minus 3 and 2. Here you have 0, 0, minus 3 minus 3 is 0. Minus 3 plus 3 is 0. 2 minus 2 is 0. So this is what we get. Okay, now I'm interchanging R2 to R3. Why? Because first if I have 1 0 here, next I should have 2 zeros here, then next I should have 1 2 3 zeros here. Okay, so according to that, here first itself I got 2 zeros. I don't want that. Yes, so what I'm doing, I'm changing this R2 row to the R3 and R3 to R2. So R2 becomes R3. See, 0 0 minus 3 and 2. R3 becomes R2, 0 minus 4 minus 8 and 3 becomes R2. See, 0 minus 4 minus 8 minus 3 became R2. So now next my aim is to make this 0 and this 0, right? So in order to make this 0, which operation I should perform? R4 is equal to R4 minus R2. So when I perform R4 minus R2, what do I get? 0 minus 0, 0. It is minus 4. Minus of minus becomes plus. Plus 4 minus 4 is 0. Again minus 11 plus 8. So what will you get? 3, right? Minus 3. Then you will get 5 minus 3 is 2. So shall we write that down? As you can see, we cannot make this preceding term as 1. This cannot be made 1, right? And this also cannot be made 1. So you can leave it like that, not a problem. This is an equivalent matrix to the given matrix A. Okay, so if you can make this as 1 and this as 1, you can do it. If no, you can stop there. Okay, let us get into our next question. It is 1 1 2 4 2 6 3 3 7 2 4 5. Okay, this is a 4 cross 3 matrix. So our aim is to first make this 0 and these two 0 and these 3 0, right? So in order to make this 0, what do you have to do? R2 is equal to 2R1, right? So multiply this by 4, then it becomes 4 minus 4, 0, right? So R2 is nothing but R2 minus 4R1. Again, R3 is nothing but, in order to make this 3 as 0, R3 minus 3R1. Again, in order to make this 0, R4 minus 2R1. Then we will make these zeros. Okay. So first we'll concentrate on this and this term to make it as zeros, right? So shall we perform the operation? What do we get? This is 1, 1 and 2. Second row becomes 4 minus 4, 0. 2 minus 4, 2 minus 2. 6 minus 4 2s are 8 it is. So 6, 7, 8 minus 2. Again R3 becomes 3 minus 3 0, 3 minus 3 0, 3 2s are 6, 7 minus 6 is 1. Again 2 minus 2 is what do we get? 2 minus 2 0, 4 minus 2 2, 5 minus 2, oh sorry, 5 minus 4 it is, right? 2 2s are 4, 5 minus 4 1. We are performing this operation, okay? Keep that in mind. Okay, so now in order to make this 0, what can we do? Okay, so in order to make the 0, I can add this plus 2 and minus 2, right? So it can be 0. So now let's perform that operation. So what we'll get? 0 minus 0 0 plus 2 minus 2, sorry, 2 minus 2 0, 1 minus 2 will become minus 1, right? Shall we write it down? So we get 0 0 and minus 1. In order to make this term this term 0, what can we do? Plus 1 minus 1 can be done, right? So we have to take R4 is equal to R4 plus R3. So it becomes, all these things the same, 0, 1 plus 1 minus 1 was 0, right? So now this is our required matrix of order 4 cross 3, right? So now we have 0, 2 terms 0, 3 terms 0. So preceding term, this minus 2, can we make it as 1? No. So you can stop here. Okay, this is the equivalent matrix which is reduced to row reduced echelon form. Thank you.